Curlin with the Resource Portal.
Damon with the Resource Portal.
And we are here at Cannes 2024. We're here in Fresno, our hometown, and we are launching our mobile app on our lesson planning platform. And we're super excited to be here. This is an amazing event. There are 500 site coordinators from all over California, and we get to teach them about what we do with lesson planning.
Super excited this year to be another Titanium sponsor. We had an opportunity to speak on stage, have a breakout session where we had a captive audience to teach them about what lesson planning is and how we can help them with lesson planning. And we have the ability to be a presenter, and looking forward to this year and many more years to come at Cannes. Thank you very much.
Peace.
Today we are representing the Resource Portal, where we make lesson plans made easy. We have 1,200 plus lesson plans geared for kids learning in our lesson plan platform. There are categories right here as well. We have 16 different categories, ranging from STEAM all the way to agriculture. We got over 1,200 lesson plans geared for kids learning K through 12. Second grade teacher, we got it here. First grade teacher, we got it here. Social emotional learning as well. All standards that you need as a teacher, especially if you are a site coordinator in ELLP learning, expanded learning opportunity programs. So check it out.
I love using the Resource Portal. I have older kids who it was hard to find something for them that they enjoy doing. When my staff needs something to do, I go and look at the supplies that we have in our cabinet, and then I'll choose a supply, and I go on the Resource Portal and I type that whatever that product is in, and it gives me a lot of different options of different activities that my staff can use. It also has the lesson plan, so when my staff turn in their schedules, we require lesson plans. The lesson plan is already on there for them. All we need is the materials, and everything works. I love the Resource Portal.
What we're doing here today is the 2024 Site Coordinator Symposium. This is the event the California After School Network puts on every year. What we feel are the most pivotal and important people in the expanded learning field, those site coordinators that run those programs for our young people every day. So this is an event to help support them, to build them up, and to be able to give some peer knowledge and share some knowledge to allow them to do a better job and a more quality job with the young people that they serve.
My name is Melissa Perez. I'm a manager of policy and outreach with the California After School Network. I'm so happy that we are able to support our field in offering a convening such as the Site Coordinator Symposium. This is our 7th annual symposium, and the intention of this convening is to support site coordinators throughout California. Site coordinators are such a unique position in the field that we support, and so it is essential that they are supported, and that is why we're here and what we're doing today. So I'm hoping everyone is enjoying their time.
Today we're going to be talking about Resource Portal, so site leads and site coordinators can learn how to make lesson plans, look at the lesson plans that we have to showcase. I think it's easy to flip repo and to get the site coordinators to be invested into lesson plans. It makes it a lot easier for them, so it's very useful, and they're all interested in using the Resource Portal. Every reaction that I feel like I've heard, they've said that they've heard about it and they wanted to do it, so now they get to go out and try it.
And at my site, at Mott Elementary, we actually use the Resource Portal. My staff is able to plan and find things, and they're always doing really cool activities. And now that I know you guys have the app, I can't wait to go back and just let them know so that they can start using it in a more effective way.
It's been really awesome for my staff now that we have the Resource Portal and know how to use it. They're able to get a lot of new activities, not just stuff that they're used to. It's like brand new stuff that they've never seen. So it's really spicing up the scheduling for them. That has gotten the kids more engaged.
Having the Resource Portal has really helped my staff plan. It's, time management has gotten better. The students, they enjoy the activities. We can use practically anything that we have on site to create the activities, to come up with the plans. It's actually been a lifesaver.